Joining me now is Tom Sforza, the owner of Best Auto Service Center located here in Tannersville. Tom, great to have you on the program. We're moving into the spring and summer, and it's time now to make sure that you get your car maintained for the summer driving.
Absolutely. Now the spring is finally here. The winter is over.
What are some of the things people should have done to their car for spring and summer driving?
Well, we want to definitely check the wiper blades. Tires are another big thing. We want to make sure we have good tires on the vehicle. Cabin air filter should be checked. Regular air filter should be checked, so we're getting the best miles per gallon, especially with the price of fuel right now. Brakes should be checked, cooling system, and air conditioning, because we're going to be using our air conditioners with that summer heat.
Let's talk about saving some money by having your car properly maintained so that you get better fuel mileage.
Absolutely. So we want to make sure that the car is well tuned up. Spark plugs need to be replaced on a regular basis. Air filter, fuel filter. We do a internal engine cleaning, which is we call it a fuel injection service, which removes the carbon from the valves and the pistons and helps restore power.
And the tires have to be properly inflated too.
That's another big thing people overlook too as well. Good point. You want to keep your tires at the proper pressure so that you're going to get the best fuel economy as well.
As we move down to the long winter into the spring, people are opening their hoods and seeing signs of mice in their cars. I think it's probably a good idea to use something to repel those mice, because if they're already in there, they can start chewing wires.
Oh, absolutely. And they get in the car as well. So we have a product that we use called Mouse Out. And it is, we spray the wiring harness. It does a good job of keeping them out.
Now, if you need repairs done to your car, I know that you have financing available.
Yes, we have 0% financing, and we also have financing if somebody has bad credit or no credit, so we can help it. We can help everybody.
And if you're in the market for a used car, I know you have a few that are very fuel efficient.
Yes, we have some Subarus in stock that are very fuel efficient. We have some Nissan Rogues, which are good for family vehicles as well. They just can apply online, directly online, or they could stop down and they could see us and we'll speak to them about it.
What makes getting a used car here at Best Auto Used Cars different than going to somebody else?
Well, the cars are all checked over by our ASE certified technicians. So if there's anything wrong with them, we do fix them before we put them out on the lot. We also provide a warranty with every vehicle as well. And we're a family owned and operated service center, so they're going to get much better service from us. Plus, we also provide the financing for the vehicles, and we get everybody does get approved.
I also know it's very important that you use AC Delco parts when you're repairing cars here.
Yes, we do, and we give them the best warranties in the area. We give them 24,000 miles or 2 years, whichever comes first, and that's a nationwide warranty.
And when you bring your car here to Best Auto Service Center, you do have a shuttle that can take people where they need to go so they don't have to wait here the entire time.
Yes, we do. We have a nice courtesy shuttle van, so we can take people either home or to work, pick them up, drop them off, whatever they need, so they don't have to rent a car, so that saves them money as well.
People want more information about Best Auto Service Center. How do they get that?
They could reach us at 570-688-2378 or on the web at bestautoservicecenter.com or bestautousedcars.com.